Skif-D experimental communication system combined with the eponymous demonstrator satellite built by Reshetnev Company have completed the flight testing phase. Onboard equipment sourced from domestic suppliers as well as satellite control and data transmission and acquisition techniques were successfully proven in flight. Presently, the satellite is studying the radiation environment at the altitude of 8,070 kilometers, being a new and ambitious orbit for the Russian space industry.
Siberia-based Reshetnev Company has mastered the microwire gold plating technology. The company's technical team has run trials to gold plate the metal wires in 15 to 30 microns thickness range. The trials help determine the optimal conditions for gold plating the microwire, serving as the major material employed in large-sized foldable umbrella-type mesh reflectors. The gold plating technology mastered enables Reshetnev Company to expand its onboard antennas production workshare.
Reshetnev Company mastered a number of flexible waveguide manufacturing techniques, such as, among others, drawing, corrugating, hydroforming, and laser welding. Reshetnev Company's technical team employs these techniques to build flexible waveguide sections called upon to compensate for mechanical and thermal loads acting upon various waveguide path stretches, thus preventing payload equipment distortions and impairments throughout its mission operation lifetime.
Reshetnev Company is to embark a novel in-house made antenna on Express AMU-4 communication and broadcasting satellite. The antenna, being a constituent part of the satellite payload, ensures signal transmission and acquisition in Ku band. The steerable antenna features a two-reflector design with a 1 meter main reflector diameter, enabling generation of the specified antenna pattern and provision of high-value telecommunication services.
Marathon satellites being constructed by Reshetnev Company are to be fitted with more lightweight and space-saving batteries to supply them with power throughout the mission operation lifetime. The batteries are based on industrial-class cells available on the general market, as well as voltage equalizing devices designed and built by Tomsk State University of Control Systems and Radio Electronics Research Institute of Automatics and Electromechanics.